Good morning, class 6. Today we will start our first chapter of class 6, that is maps and diagrams. So what is map? Map is a Latin word which means globe. Why cloth? Because in earlier days maps were drawn on animal skin or clothes. So from there the word map have came. Maps is a representation of our country on a small part. There are various mediums from where we can know about our country without traveling around the world, that is maps, globes, sketches and plans. Each of these has some advantages and some disadvantages, which we will discuss in this chapter. Now, what is map? Map is a drawing of the whole earth on a part of a flat surface. Now, it is usually symbolic representation are done on it. On the paper, it helps us to know the information about any place. Before going into any place, we would like to know where is that place, what can be found near that place. So for that, this maps helps us a lot. When different countries' map or different types of maps are found together in a book, that is known as atlas. Now, next is types of maps. How many types of maps are there? There are different types of maps, like the political maps, the physical maps, the thematic maps. What is a political maps? Political maps are maps that shows us the boundaries of a country, state, its locations, important states, capital, cities, towns, etc. It gives us a structure or an idea about the state, how it will be, or what is its surroundings, which states are surrounding, or for instance, if we go and look into a map of India, then we will understand what countries are we surrounded with, or what mountains, rivers, what is surrounding our country. Next is physical map. These types of maps helps us to understand what type of physical features are there in our country, like mountains, desert, lakes, plains, rivers, etc. These are found in different colors because colors are used to mark different places like mountains, valleys, rivers, plains. Next is thematic. Thematic maps are maps which are used to mark the climate, agriculture and mineral of any country. That means what type of minerals is found in which part of the country, what type of agriculture is done, because agriculture is of different types. Then the climatic condition of different parts of the country are shown in this thematic maps. Apart from that, there are one more type of map, that is topographic map. Tropo, which means place, graphy means to describe. So which gives us a detailed information about the local landforms like rivers, canals, roads, buildings that is found in the small areas. These maps are based on the accurate survey of the land. First, the survey of the land, when the part of the land is surveyed, then according to it, it is drawn and made. These types of maps help people such as surveyors and civil engineers who are engaged in works like buildings, roads, bridges, other structures. These types of maps are helpful for the military purposes also because it helps them to know the locality where they are going for their work. Maps are based on scales also, large scale, small scale maps. The scale means a map is being drawn, and for 1 kilometer 1 centimeter is used to show in the map, that is small scale. 1 centimeter is signified for 200 kilometers. That will be small scale map. Whereas a large scale map, 1 centimeter is denoting 1 kilometer of a land surface. So that is a large scale map. There are some important thing, that is importance of map and disadvantage also we will know. Maps advantages: they are easy to carry, they show us the selected features, usually congested, cognized. They are not congested, they are cognized. There are different signs, symbols which gives us the information about the districts. It have disadvantages also. The curved surface of the earth cannot be represented accurately on a flat surface. Maps become large when it is of continents and have some distortion. Size and shape distance does not help us properly. Maps provide limited information about the limited amount of space and other things that we want to understand. So as I told, it is helpful. There are some disadvantages also for map. Here there is importance of map. It is easy to carry, we can carry it, help the travelers, show selected features, making easier for the people to understand information about their place, helps with different symbols and signs. Navigators use them to find direction. Town planners use them for making town planning. So these are also helpful in different ways. So here I am ending with advantage and disadvantage.